Sriram guys, how are you? So a very long time at the very long gap. Okay, so now from today we start CBSE 2026 important points where question asked you means most important points where 100% sure question will come. Okay, so we start from 3D and straight line, and I am discussing not straight, I am discussing just points. Okay, so today's first point is perpendicular distance. Okay, perpendicular distance of a line from a point, that means called as image point. This is a very important because of this question will be 3 marks, maybe 5 marks, maybe 2 marks also. So this is an opportunity you get easily 2, 3, 5 marks. Okay, maximum 5 marks, minimum 2 marks. Okay, so first if he ask just only ask perpendicular distance, so just 2 marks question. If he asking perpendicular distance and foot of perpendicular, so 3 marks question. And if he asking perpendicular distance, foot of perpendicular and image point, so that is 5 mark question. So what we are doing, so simply perpendicular की बात कर रहा है, तो simply a line we have and this point is P, alpha, beta and gamma. Okay, this line is x minus a1 divided by b1 is equal to y minus a2 divided by b2 is equal to z minus a3 divided by b3 is equal to lambda. Okay, this is the line, straight line. Okay, this line equation q and r. Okay, this point is called foot of perpendicular. This point is foot of perpendicular. Now my lovely students, what we will do, we will easily, देखो, main concept is both line are perpendicular. Both line are perpendicular. If both line are perpendicular, so you know very well this is direction cosine, product of dot product of direction cosine always equal to 0. And this line of QR direction cosine, disease of QR, you know very well, B1, B2 and B3 easily we have. So now we will find the disease of PS. So first find the S point. S point means the point where line passes from the point S. So easily you can find the point. X is equal to lambda B1 plus A1, Y is equal to lambda B2 plus A2 and Z is equal to lambda B3 plus A3. Okay, now this is the S point. This is S point. Clear? Okay, now what is the importance? Important point is disease, and you know very well if 2 points are there, so easily you can find disease. So disease of PS is equal to this minus this, yani lambda B1 plus A1 minus alpha, lambda B2 plus A2 minus beta, comma, and one more lambda B3 plus A3 minus gamma. These are disease of PS and disease of QR. Disease of PS and disease of QR. I hope you understand this point. Clear or not? Okay. Now we have a point. Now we have disease. So our concept is perpendicular point. Perpendicular means perpendicular. If 2 lines are perpendicular, the dot product. So now we will find that dot product means B1 lambda B1 plus A1 minus alpha plus B2 lambda B2 plus A2 minus beta plus B3 lambda B3 plus A3 minus gamma is equal to 0. When equal to 0, you get the value of lambda, and when you find the value of lambda, put here foot of perpendicular means put in this point, you get the foot of perpendicular. Then after we use PS means distance formula. That time you can easily solve. That time you can easily find. Next point is image point. Image point means image point. This point is the image point. मैंने इसको नाम दे दिया T. This is the name of T. अब T is the image point, and how to image point find, we will discuss a question, then you understood. Okay, now we discuss one question. This question is find the foot of perpendicular from the point 0 to 3 on the line x plus 3 by 5 is equal to y minus 1 by 2 and equal to z plus 4 by 3. Also find the length of perpendicular. Okay, easily we can find. First make the figure. Okay, point is 0 to 3 and line equation, easy line equation, x plus 3 by 5 is equal to y minus 1 by 2 is equal to z plus 4 by 3 is equal to lambda. Okay, now this point name is A, B, C, D. Line is CD and disease of CD simply 5, 2, 3. Okay, I hope you understood. Now find the point of B. And how to find the point of B? Easy. 5 lambda minus 3, comma 2 lambda plus 1 and comma 3 lambda minus 4. This is the point B. This is the point B. Easy. Now we will find lambda value. And how? Which concept? The two lines perpendicular. If two lines are perpendicular, so that the direction cosine, dot product of direction cosine will be 0. So guys, first find the disease of AB. So AB disease is equal to 5 lambda minus 3 minus 0, 2 lambda plus 1, this minus this minus this minus this, 2 lambda plus 1 minus 2, and 3 lambda minus 4 minus 3. So this point is 5 lambda minus 3, comma 2 lambda minus 1 and 3 lambda minus 7. This is the disease of AB, disease of AB. And now we will find the value of lambda. How to find? We will dot product take. So 5 lambda and this is this CD disease is 5, 2, 3. So 5 lambda minus 3 and 2 lambda minus 1. And up to you know very well how to find the dot product. I know very well, you can easily get if you don't know. So please b1 dot b2 equal to 0. So dot product equal to 0. 5 25, 2 to 29, 9 to 38. I think 25 lambda minus 15, 4 lambda minus 2, 9 lambda minus 21 equal to 0. 25 for 29, 38 lambda and minus 38 equal to 0. So now lambda is equal to 1. Now we have lambda is equal to 1. So now the value of lambda put in B point. So when you put in B, so lambda is equal to 1. When you put 1, so it will get 2, comma lambda plus 1, yani 3, and lambda 1, 3 minus 4 minus 1. So this is the point is foot of perpendicular. This point is called foot of perpendicular. Always remember guys, this point is foot of perpendicular. Now we will find the perpendicular distance. How to find the perpendicular distance? Now we are using simply distance formula. And you know how to use the distance formula? 0 minus 2 square 4, 2 minus 3 minus 1 square 1, and 3 minus plus 1, 3 minus 1 distance formula z2 minus z1. So 3 minus plus 1, 4 ka square 16. So 16, 20, 21. So under root 21 is the perpendicular distance. Once a check, calculation mistake may be possible. Otherwise, no, I know calculation mistakes may be are there. Otherwise, correct method is correct. So under root 21 is the answer, perpendicular distance. Is it clear? Now many time asking foot image point. Many time asking image point. So what is the image point? How to find the image point? So always remember one point guys. What point? Always remember one thing. What? B always midpoint of G and A. B is midpoint. B is midpoint of AG. Midpoint of AG. So think this point is alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma. So 0 plus alpha by 2 is equal to 2. Same thing, 2 plus beta by 2 is equal to 3. And 3 plus minus 1, 3 plus gamma, 3 plus gamma are there, 3 plus gamma upon 2 is equal to minus 1. So alpha is equal to 4, beta is equal to 6, 4, also 4. Gamma is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 5. Gamma is equal to minus 5. So this is point is image point. This point is called image point. So guys, easy, you get 5 marks. Easy, you get 5 marks. This is the concept. This is the example. This one is the example for you, and this one is the concept. If you got any problem, so message me, comment, and if you have any doubt, any problem, which topic you want, to questions, which topic, I 100% I will make the video. So please do comment, share with your 12th class friends, and enjoy. Thank you so much guys. Jai Hind, Jai Shri Ram.